New and exciting with version 2.9 update is the addition of a texting feature. Staying connected is moving up a level with this update. The texting option is available on NovaChat and ChatFusion devices. This feature will require an active Android phone with the Chat SMS application installed. The Chat SMS app is available in the Google Play Store. The Android phone must have a texting plan available as well. The Chat SMS will connect with the device through the Bluetooth. Texting features within the vocabulary are accessible through direct select, scanning, and head pointing. A very detailed section of the manual will walk you through setup and use of texting with your chat device. Default word power and multi-chat vocabulary have been updated with 2.9 to include the texting pages. You will find the button leading to texting under Social and Word Power and Things and More Things in multi-chat. So let's recap. What do you need to get started? An active Android phone with text capability, Chat SMS installed and set as a default texting app, a chat device, version 2.9 software, connect the phone to the device through the Bluetooth, vocabulary set up with texting pages, and someone to text. The speech display bar will provide these alerts when appropriate. The little green smiley guy with one tail indicates there is one message waiting. Two tails indicate that I have more than one message waiting. If you see a question mark, your phone is not connected to the device. If you see the exclamation point in the red circle, the Chat SMS app may need to be updated, or it could be that your device software needs an update as well. Finally, a yellow exclamation point in the yellow triangle means you need to set the Chat SMS app as a default for texting on the connected phone. First, let's take a look at the application on the Android phone. It has already been downloaded to this phone and set up to be connected to a NovaChat device. You will find the Chat SMS app available through the Play Store. If I search for Chat SMS with no spaces, I should find the Saltillo app, and there it is, and you can see that it's already been installed. The Chat SMS will also hold all of the texts that go back and forth. So this phone has been set up and has a few text message already on it. Since it's already been connected to my NovaChat, let's take a look at the setting that allows the phone to connect by way of Bluetooth. Menu, Settings, System, Bluetooth Settings, and you'll see that it's been checked Use with Phone. It's already been connected, and you can see that it's connected to that Android phone. So I'll use the go back arrow. I see a message in my speech display bar which indicates that I have one message waiting. I'm going to tap Social, go to Texting, and I see that my new message is on top. So it's a message from Lowe's. I've evidently signed up for Lowe's messages. I can use my go back, and I'll see that I have some different messages still there. If I'd like to create a message for an already existing person in my address book, I would select New Message. I can select the person, so I'll select Kara. You can see the speech display bar has a multiple task now. It's telling me that I can enter the text that I'd like to send to Kara, so I'll compose my message.
Hello. How are you?
So I'm still composing my message. You can see that send is available here. I'm going to go ahead and send that message. Now if I receive a text from somebody that is not in my address book, I can add them once I receive that text message. So let's try another example. I'll go back to where my text would be stored. So my phone that's connected to the device has a sound associated with it. And so you can see I've now received 2 text messages, and I have 2 tails on my little smiley face. So Kara is already part of my contacts. I have a new number here. So if I'd like to add this number, I can go to add that number and then type in a name that would be associated with that.
L-I-S-A.
So I'm going to go ahead and create that contact. And now it will be part of my address book. You can see now I only have 1 tail, so that means I have 1 unread message. And I could respond from here.
I am telling people about TEXTING.
And I've now sent that new message. No worries if you have a customized file. You can import pages from a default file. Again, the support manual will walk you right through the process. It's available in the download section on the support tab of the Saltillo website. Let's take a quick look at importing the pages to add texting to an already existing customized file. The first thing that I'll do, let's go ahead and look and see where that texting would go. So I know that texting would be added to this social page. I have a blank button there, and I'll go ahead and model after what's already been created in the default files now. So I would tap Menu, Edit Mode. I'm going to tap Pages, and what I need to do now is import pages from another file. So I'm going to tap Menu again, Import. What I'm looking for will be the WordPower 60 Basic, and I'd like an original file because this device is up to date with 2.9. So I'm going to go ahead and tap 60 Basic. On the right hand side, I'll find all the pages that I need. So there are 4 pages that I want to bring into this file, and they're all going to begin with texting. So I have texting contacts, conversations, message details, and messages. There are 4 files. I'm going to tap Import. Now I'll create my button. I'll edit the button. We'll call it Texting. Next, done. I'm going to find an image. I know that it's called Text Message. I'll search, select my image. Now I'll go to Actions. I'm going to remove the speech message. We'll tap Add an Action, and I'm going to search for that texting. So where I want it to go now is I want to texting, and I want to navigate to conversations. I've brought in 4 pages. They'll already be linked. I'm going to hit Save. There's another step. I need to tap Menu, Pages. I need to go in, and those 4 pages that I brought in, all beginning with texting, need to be designated as special pages. So I'll tap on that, set as a special page, and I'm going to match it up. So I'm text contacts. Texting conversations, set as a special page. Text conversations. You'll see the icons that are being associated next to that. That helps everything to sync. Set as special page. Message details. Last one. Text messages. I'm going to go ahead and back out of this. Exit out of edit mode. And let's look and see where it goes now. The device has already been connected to the phone, to the Android phone, and so now I'm ready to complete my next message. TouchChat app and TouchChat Express will offer a little different arrangement for texting. The iOS platform will allow for texting to lead to iMessage. This will require an internet connection and iMessage account to be set up. The receiver will also have to have iMessage. Texting with TouchChat or TouchChat Express will require iMessage. So you'll see that the vocabulary will still have texting available. When I select texting, you're going to see I can use my keyboard and I can select my contact here. That person would have to have iMessage as well. If I had something in my speech display bar and then hit texting, you can see that it's already ready to be sent as a message. So I have the option of either typing in a message or using my vocabulary. The intermediate scan file is an add-on to the basic scan file with version 2.9 software. Lisa Noble Martin, an SLP based in Colorado, developed both the basic scan and intermediate scan vocabulary options. The intermediate file is primarily phrase-based and providing access through auditory and/or visual scanning. It was designed as a next step after using the basic scan file. It also opens opportunities to transition to more core word use. Let's take a look. For the demonstration, I'm using one switch set up with auditory prompts on and linear scanning.
Talk. Want. Need. I need. Speech display bar. Help. Help. Speech display bar. I need help. Speech display bar. Help. Bathroom. Out. Beginning. Talk. Can we talk? Are you listening? Greetings. Tell you. What I think. Beginning. Questions. I have a question. Friend questions. Who? It. Going. Who is going? Speech display. Who is going? Speech display bar. Who? It. Going. Beginning. Talk. Want. Need. People. Groups. Describe. Actions. Core words. Functions. Pronouns. Actions. Prepositions. Other words. Speech display bar. Functions. Pronouns. Action. Go. Stop. Turn. Speech display bar. Functions. Pronouns. Actions. Preposition. Up. Down. In. Out. On. Speech display bar. Function. Speak. Turn on. Speech display bar.
We have added to the Canadian French vocabulary options with version 2.9 software. Files included in the French option library will be the For Basic, Spelling, Communication Journey Aphasia, which is new, Multichat 15, and Vocab PC.